In this pandemic situation, we opt for work from home to keep the virus away. A properly working laptop can help you to meet all your office work within the deadline swiftly. Oops! All of a sudden your laptop becomes unresponsive. It may be caused due to malware attack, overflow of saved files, or it can be the motherboard issues. No matter what the reason, it should be resolved immediately. So try to find a reliable laptop repair store near you still open in this pandemic moment. iTech Xpress in Covina is the most trusted and reputable store where you can get all your laptop issues resolved within the same day. Their highly trained and experienced technicians are always ready to serve the best laptop motherboard repair works at reasonable costs. Before starting the repair work, they also provide a cost estimation to their clients. And after getting the approval, they try to fix the issues quickly. They always store all necessary spare parts of the computer in advance. So, don't waste your time. Dial 626-777-4747 and book an appointment immediately. You can browse https://ichexpressinc.com/ to know more.